It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here with another day, man. I want to give you guys some information what's going on with the Audio Cat. Haven't disclosed it yet, man, but long story short, we blew out the tranny. I've had the car for 5 years. I've enjoyed the car. The car has a little bit under 30,000 miles. And the transmission went out, so I'm going to be bringing the information today. They called me. I special ordered a transmission from the Dofdge dealership. I didn't go with an aftermarket. They wanted me to do a turbo 400, and yes, I know it gives me more speed, but the problem is that I dated the car. I drive the car. You guys know I got a car meets. I got a lot of events with the car, so I didn't want to go to turbo 400. So I ended up buying the stock one. I was talking with Mod to Fame on the phone. We kind of disclosed a couple options, thinking about getting a built transmission and all the options, but my guy Cooley, man, again, Joe, can't even tell you how much this man means to me. He's really good to me. Took care of me with a great price for my transmission, so I bought it. It's a Tremec 6060 from Tremec. So I bought the transmission, and now I'm on my way to go pick it up, and I'm gonna show you guys in the vehicle when I go pick it up, now to take it to the transmission shop, what happened with her, what's going on with her, so you guys can understand it. But yeah, Audio Cat is down, man. She's down for the count. And she is gonna get done. Hopefully this week I have it back. But it's just things that happen when you get something that came stock certain way and you build them up to a different level. Then you gotta expect things that you have to change. I changed my drive shafts. I did my rear end. I did my axles. I had the lockouts. I had to change my fuel system, and a couple other things to make the car efficient and do what it needs to do, guys. But I didn't tell nobody yet. But this is what's going on. I'm gonna stay posted so I can show you guys exactly what's gonna happen with the Audio Cat as we get her going again. All right, Cruise Crew. At this point in time, I've arrived here to the Cooley dealership here in Irving, Texas. Well, you guys know my guy Joe, man, been with me 100,000%. Truthfully, this is not an advertisement. I'm not getting paid for this. It's the truth. This guy's been really, really good to me, man. So we had got the transmission order from him. I'm gonna come and see him inside, give him the bread that needed to get paid for this transmission, and get this ready to go to the Audio Cat to get her back on the road, y'all. So we definitely came out here to get this transmission picked up from the dealership, man. I didn't buy nothing aftermarket. I know that my car is not stock no more, but the Tremec 660 is a great transmission, and with the numbers that we were doing with Mod to Fame and putting a turbo 400 or even doing a specialized transmission for the car, it was gonna cost me a lot, up to $20,000, y'all, up to $20,000. So in reality, we just can only tell you that I'm blessed that God has put the right people on this build of this car and helping them with this Audio Cat. And we have it here at the point in time. So in a few seconds, I'm gonna put you on Joe. He's been on my other videos before. If you haven't seen him before, this is the guy to come get your parts from, man. In reality, just tell him you come from Audio Cat. He is an A1 guy. He's been with me 100%. Been nothing but good to me since the day I met him, man. I mean, really, truthfully, from the day I met him, he's been really good to me. So I'll introduce you to him again in a few minutes. All right, y'all, so let me get back to this here real quick, man. We're back here at Cooley, man. Like I told you, Joe has really gave me great customer service today. Even before he knew me or anything, he's been like that with me since day one. And if y'all haven't seen him in the previous videos, I'm definitely gonna put him on this video again. This is my guy Joe, man. I can't tell you how blessed and honored I am.
What's going on, brother?
This guy's been nothing but good to me. Customer service 100%. I call him with a problem. He knows how to get the parts, and he's been with me 100%. Truthfully, if you're gonna need a Chrysler part, man, and this is not an advertisement, like I said, I'm not getting paid for this. This is something that the man deserves. He's really, really good at what he does. He's got the experience to get it right. But on top of that, man, he take care of you. So just tell him you come from Audio Cat. He is a great guy. Joe, he is in the service drive / parts department here at Cooley in Irving, Texas. And I'm gonna put his information down on these. In fact, from now on, he's gonna be on all my videos at the bottom, so y'all can hit him up here for parts, y'all. But let's go get this transmission paid for and get it picked up. At this point in time, we've done the transaction. We are now going to pick up my transmission from the back, man. I'm excited. Like more than what you guys can understand. I'm really excited. God's been great. God's been awesome with me, man. He's blessed me in dramatic ways. They've always puts the right people in my place that I could bless, and also that are a blessing to me. So when you're able to bless somebody, God finds ways to bless you back, and this guy here has been a true blessing to me, man. So all I can tell you, come check him out, man. Let him know you come from Audio Cat. This guy is an awesome dude, man. So I'm gonna go back there, pick up my tranny so y'all can see what we got going on. I'll be back in a minute. Because at this point in time, we have just loaded up with Joe in the truck here, man. He used the forklift and loaded my transmission into the Tahoe. This box don't look that big for being the transmission that I see underneath my car, man. That doesn't look like it.
It expands when it hits the air.
Oh, when you put water in it, it grows. I got you, because think one of those little, oh, okay, I got you. Joe, as always, thank you so much, man. God bless y'all. My tranny's here. I'm gonna go pick up the car now, take it to the transmission shop and get this thing installed, man. Y'all can see this. From Tremic directly. This is a Tremic transmission, man. Tremic transmission for the AUDIOZONE. Going in now. Cruise, so we're back here, All American Transmission, man. I got the transmission behind the Tahoe. You can see this is what they do every day, all day. We got my guy, my mechanic is right there. Look at the one that always works on my car, man. He is here, and I'm gonna go talk to Henry now to see what I can do to get this car accomplished. What's going on, boss? How y'all doing? See if we can get this situated, man, because I need to come in. Pon la transmisión, te la tengo ahí nueva. Let me see what happens here. Y'all be right back in a minute. So right now we are here. You could vlog this. I just don't know when I'm gonna get it out, but yeah, you can vlog if you need to. Right now, look, man, transmission's here. We got this transmission crate. We're gonna try to get this transmission slid over and get it on to the box here. Give me a second, y'all, so I can give him a hand. Here goes the house boss transmission for the AUDIOZONE, man. As y'all can see, it's a Tremic, original mopar, part 4, my AUDIOZONE, man. So I'm gonna go grab the tow truck now and take it to the shop, pick up my car and bring it here and see if they guy can get it done, man. I told the guys, man, look, man, if you knock it out, I'll give you a bonus on the side just to get the car done today. Because they can knock it out today, man, I'll tell you right now, I will be very, very happy and we'll be very, very blessed to get it done, man. Stay tuned so I can see what I work out here. And I'm gonna go pick up the car in the tow truck and show you guys what happened to the car. My transmission, and this is my tranny, y'all. You can see right here, it's a Tremic transmission. It was a manual 6-speed for my vehicle. That is the transmission for my car. Brand new, look at this, y'all. Brand new in the box. I had to get it done, man. This is what my transmission looks like. It looks small, but it's really, you don't have the bell housing. Look at the other piece that goes over here. The bell housing transfers from the old transmission to this transmission. That is the transmission for my car. So it should be done as soon as possible. I'll let y'all know, man. I'm waiting for Henry to come out here to talk to me and tell me the details. I'm sorry, y'all. I've been trying to get the tow truck going, but I'm in the tow truck right now. I'm using the tow truck as I drive the car. The car's only taking 4th gear, so I'm picking her up in the tow truck to be safe for my baby girl. I'm gonna go to the house now and pick her up and bring her to you, but I'm gonna show you guys in the video what's going on with the car, so stay tuned and stay tuned to the AUDIOZONE. Guys, so this is exactly what you're seeing. This is the AUDIOZONE. She is here. I'm about to get her out to the transmission shop, man. We were here dealing with her, man, but she got the transmission blown. I'm about to turn her on. And then y'all gonna get to understand why the neighbors hate my car so much. So stay tuned for a second.
And he don't even know I'm supposed to be. Look, he don't even know I'm supposed to be on this channel. And make sure y'all go there, Bust Down King, man. Bust Down King. BUSSDOWNKING.
Ready? This is why my neighbors hate this car. More. Come on back. Got it. Come on.
He do not play by his baby, boy. He do not play by his baby.
Oh, you're right, you're right. You're right. Keep it like that, don't worry about the rest. I got you. Now straighten out your wheel. Back to your left. Just like that, just like that.
I don't think he's gonna use all this footage. It's too much.
Alright, crew, so I finally loaded her up on the trailer, man. As you can see behind me. Take it out to get the transmission done, guys. But it's part of the process. When you build a car, you have fun with a car, you play with a car, it's gonna sometimes cost you some money. That's why I call it the side chick. It take money from y'all. But I'm gonna take it to the transmission shop and keep y'all posted. Made it here to All American Transmission, man. Like I told you, this is the guy who does my transmission work. All American Transmission here in Irving, Texas. That's the phone number right there is 972-790-6449. Look at the guy who's working on my car. I'm about to drop it off the trailer, man, and give it to them and let them do what they gotta do. And get the audio cab rolling and do what we need to do, man. I miss her dearly, but I do understand that I have to sometimes be patient because we build things and we don't understand exactly what's gonna happen sometimes, but as you get things bigger, you have to go a little bit bigger. So we'll be coming back in a minute. I dropped from the trailer. At this point in time, guys, the audio cat is dropped off. You can see her sitting right there. I got her on the wide body 2 wheels until something else comes in for the car, man. But she's here, like I said, All American. She is dropped off right now, and she's gonna be here for a couple days, get a transmission installed again, to go play with her again, man. So it's just part of things like happen. I'm a little depressed, but I got something big coming.